Hello and welcome to Higher Ed Pro. There's always a question in the minds of the students, especially when they're about to complete 12th standard. What next? So today in this video, let us help you to figure out few choices that you have in the field of medicine once you complete class 12. Remember, these are not the only courses that you can find in the field of medicine. These are the most sought after courses that can offer lucrative careers in the field of medicine. As we all know, the field of medicine is a growing one and need of the hour, as the current pandemic has exposed the pathetic frame of healthcare in many countries. The first course that we are going to look at is MBBS, Bachelor of Medicine and Bachelor of Surgery. It is not only the most popular medical course, but it is also one of the most preferred courses among science students after passing class 12. Students who aspire to practice medicine or become surgeons will have to take up this course before pursuing degree concerning their preferred specialization. The next course is BDS, Bachelor of Dental Sciences. It's a 5 years undergraduate program and the only approved professional dental course in India. It's a compulsory course for the students aspiring to work as dentists at government or private hospitals across India. Aspirants can specialize as orthodontist or prosthodontist at postgraduate level. The next course is BHMS, Bachelor of Homeopathic Medicine and Surgery. It is an undergraduate academic degree course which covers medical knowledge based on homeopathic system. Next we have BAMS, that is Bachelor of Ayurvedic Medicine and Surgery. This is also an undergraduate degree program that is designed to make students familiar with the concepts of Ayurveda and use them for the treatment of patients. This course incorporates Ayurveda with the concepts of modern medicines, and students are taught a combination of both as part of the curriculum. It is also one of the oldest systems of medicine, and its roots can be traced back to Vedic times. The next course is DHMS, Diploma in Homeopathic Medicine and Surgery. So this course is for students who do not want to invest more than 5 years in the BHMS course. So this is a good option as the duration of the course is relatively short and it offers extensive education in the field of homeopathic medicine. The next course we have is BUMS, that is Bachelor in Unani Medicine and Surgery. So this is a 5.5 year undergraduate degree course that includes application of Unani system and medical knowledge. This is different from PAMS, that is Ayurveda Medicine and Surgery that we saw earlier. Unani system of medicine has existed for a long time and it's still dominant, and this is again one of the most sought after courses these days. The next course is Bachelor of Veterinary Sciences and Animal Husbandry. So this is monitored by the Veterinary Council of India. So this program mainly focuses on veterinary anatomy, veterinary physiology and biochemistry, and livestock production and management. The next course is BPharm, that is Bachelor of Pharmacy, and it is also a paramedical course and a graduate academic degree in the field of pharmacy. In many countries, this is considered as a prerequisite for registration to practice as a pharmacist. The next course is DPharm, that is Diploma of Pharmacy. So it is a short-term program for aspirants who are into pharmaceutical business and pharmacy jobs. It is ideal for students who seek short-term programs in the pharmacy domain, as BPharm and PharmD are long-term courses of up to 6 years. And next we have BOT, that is Bachelor of Occupational Therapy. It is also a bachelor's degree program, and this course has been structured to focus on practices of prevention and cure along with rehabilitation. It teaches the students to tackle physical, emotional, as well as mental problems and provide universal cure for the problem or disease. The next course is BMLT, that is Bachelor of Medical Laboratory Technology, which deals with diagnosis, prevention, and treatment of diseases with the help of laboratory tests. It is also one of the most sought after paramedical courses in the country these days. And next we have BPT, that is Bachelor of Physiotherapy, which is a 4 year undergraduate professional course that deals with the science of physical movement and channelizing it to prevent disability and diseases of movement. It is an allied health profession that helps people increase, maintain, and restore their physical mobility, function, and strength. The next course is BSc Nursing, that is Bachelor of Science in Nursing. It actually prepares nurses for a wide variety of professional roles and graduate study as well. The coursework for this course includes nursing science, research, leadership, and related areas that inform the practice of nursing. It affords opportunities for greater career advancement and higher salary options, not just in India, but also in other countries as well. Next, we have BNYS, that is Bachelor of Naturopathy and Yogic Sciences. This is also an undergraduate degree which focuses on naturopathy and the use of yoga in treating bodily ailments. It can also be called as an alternative form of medicine. And the final course in our list is Bachelor in Audiology and Speech Language Pathology, BASLP. So, this is an undergraduate course which runs for 4 years, and this course trains students to become audiologists and speech language pathologists. They learn methods to treat, identify, and prevent hearing disorders in people. The students are also taught about hearing aids and technology. Well, that's it for today. As I mentioned earlier, these are not the only options in the medical field. These are some popular courses you can consider. Thanks for watching. Do let us know your queries and feedback in the comment section. We'll definitely get back to you. Thank you.